Welcome to my channel Class Winner by Shri Shyam Books, All India number 1 skill books publisher. Alright, welcome. In this explainer, we are going to dive even deeper into the world of yoga. We are really moving beyond the physical postures you might see in a typical class to understand yoga as a truly complete system for well-being. So let's just start with this question, because it really gets to the heart of a common misconception. If you think yoga is basically just a good way to get flexible, well, you're about to see a much bigger picture. So here's our roadmap for today. We'll kick things off with the powerful purification techniques called Shatkarma. Then we'll take a closer look at Yogasana, going way beyond just the poses. After that, we'll explore the inner world of breath and meditation. And finally, we'll see how this ancient practice can actually become a modern career. Okay, let's jump right into our first topic, Shatkarma. Now, this is all about preparing the vessel, that's your body and your mind, for all the deeper practices that are going to come later. So what in the world is Shatkarma? Well, you can think of it as a kind of deep cleaning for the body, but on a yogic level. It's a set of 6 specific techniques designed to purify your system from the inside out, clearing out any blockages to get you ready for what's next. And the purpose here is really profound. This is not just about a physical detox. It's about balancing our vital life force energy, what yogis call prana. The idea is to harmonize its 2 main channels, Ida and Pingala, to create a perfect equilibrium. This purification is what truly prepares you for a deeper spiritual practice, or sadhana. Okay, now that we've set that foundation of purity, let's move on to something that's probably a bit more familiar, Yogasana. We are going to see that these poses are about so much more than just making cool shapes with your body. Yeah, we all recognize the postures, right? But the classical definition tells a different story. An asana isn't about how far you can bend or stretch. The real goal is to find a posture that you can hold in a way that's both stable and comfortable. And you can just see the incredible variety here, from these really strong, powerful standing poses to deep, quiet seated stretches. Each and every asana is designed to help you cultivate this amazing combination of strength, flexibility, and rock-solid balance. And this is the secret sauce right here. The ancient guiding principle is Sthira Sukham Asanam. Basically, that means the posture has to be both steady, that's Sthira, and comfortable, Sukham. When you find that sweet spot, the benefits just explode. It's not just physical, it brings this incredible sense of mental calm and focus. Okay, so we've talked about cleansing the body and stabilizing it through postures. Now, we are going to go even deeper into the subtle world of our own energy and consciousness. This is where we learn to master our inner world through pranayama and dhyana. So, we have 2 powerhouse practices here, and they're totally interconnected. Pranayama is the science of the breath, learning to control and direct our life force energy, our prana. Then, dhyana, which is meditation, takes that focused energy and uses it to quiet down all the chatter in our minds. And the payoff for these practices? It's huge, for both body and mind. We are talking about real tangible things, like better lung capacity and lower blood pressure. But those physical changes also support these amazing mental states, less anxiety, more clarity, and a genuine feeling of inner peace. This image really captures the whole vibe, doesn't it? That's the ultimate aim of dhyana. It's about cultivating this quiet, serene awareness where all the noise from the outside world and from our own minds finally just fades away into stillness. Alright, for our final section, let's switch gears a little bit. We've been talking a lot about the personal practice, but what about the professional side of things? Let's take a look at how yoga is becoming a really rewarding career path for so many people. It's no secret, right? People all over the world are getting more and more interested in health and wellness. And that global shift has created this huge demand for authentic, well-trained yoga professionals who can guide others on their own journey. And, the opportunities are so diverse now. It's not just about being a yoga teacher in a studio, though that's a fantastic path. You could become a specialized yoga therapist, a corporate wellness trainer, a researcher, a consultant, or even own and manage your own studio. The possibilities are just keep growing. So, when you bring all of these pieces together, the cleansing, the postures, the breath, the mind, you really start to see what yoga truly is. It's so much more than a workout. It's a complete, holistic system designed to create perfect harmony between your body, your breath, and your mind. And so, I want to leave you with this final thought. We've covered a lot today, from Shatkarma to Asana, Pranayam to Dhyana. So the real question is, how could bringing even just one of these powerful practices into your routine truly benefit your own life?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.